Hey loves! In today's video, I am creating this lilac purple and iridescent set. I'm also going to be showing you how I was able to use this LA Colors nail polish on my gel nails. I have already done the basic prep for my nails. If you're interested in how I do it and the products that I use, there will be a video on the end screen. This beautiful purple is by the brand LA Colors. It is their Color Last nail polish in the shade Impression, and it was $2 at Family Dollar. I've been doing my nails for years and I have a lot of regular nail polishes. I just recently switched over to doing gel nails. This is an easy way to still use your favorite nail polishes, and the hack is to just mix equal parts of your regular nail polish with your gel top coat, and then you'll be able to cure it in your lamp. I am mixing my polishes on an old mason jar lid because it's all I had, but it was really easy to clean when I was done. As I stated earlier, I will be mixing equal parts, and I am starting off with 8 drops of each. I purchased this makeup mixing spatula from the Wish app for $3, and I'm going to mix my polishes together till there aren't any streaks and it's one consistent color. With a 100 grit nail file, I gently buffed the surface of my nail. Now with my present number 8 medium hair gel brush, I am applying my gel polish. Using 8 drops of each yielded roughly 3 coats. On the left side, that is the first coat, and on the right, that is after 3 coats. As you can see, it is much more opaque. Moving on to my index nail, I am building up the structure of the nail, starting off by placing a bead of gel where the free edge meets the nail tip. I am now placing a bead of gel closer to the cuticle and blending it into the first bead I laid down. Lastly, I am placing a third bead of gel in the middle of where the first 2 meet. This will be my apex or stress area of my nail. I forgot to mention earlier, for the gel polish, I cured for 30 seconds in between each coat, and for the gel itself, I cured for 30 seconds in between each bead. Now I am applying a thin layer of the Gadget's Entrepot LED Rhinestone glue. Over that, I am applying a thin layer of my Sensational top coat. Now I am applying these beautiful, super sparkly AB crystals by Cousin DIY. Then I'm going to cure for 2 minutes. This pretty purple glitter is available in the Horizon Group multicolor glitter set that is sold at Walmart. There will be a link down in the description. I also purchased this container from Walmart as well. I apologize for this clip being so dark. I don't know what the hell happened. I am placing down a thin layer of gel to adhere my glitter to. I'm using my Sassy Chic cuticle pusher to scoop the glitter out of the container and dump it onto my nail. I find that's the best way for me to apply my glitter. After curing for 30 seconds, I am encapsulating the glitter with my top coat and curing for another 30 seconds. After encapsulating my whole nail and building up its structure, I have buffed the surface. Now I am adding glue to the middle of the French tip that I made and going over it with my top coat. I am placing down my gem and curing for 2 minutes. This iridescent confetti is by Horizon Group. It is available in their multicolor confetti set that is sold at Walmart in the craft department. I did go on to their website and I could not find it, so I'm assuming it's only sold in store. I'm applying a thin layer of gel to my nail. Then with my glitter scooper, I'm applying the confetti flakes and gently pushing them down to make the surface of my nail even. With a thicker layer of gel, I am now encapsulating that confetti, making sure that I get the sides and the free edge of my nail. I purchased the Fandome 32 color nail striping tape set from Amazon for $5.59 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime. The striping tape did an amazing job of separating the two sides of my nail, and with a pair of slanted tweezers, it was very easy to remove. This is what my nail looks like after encapsulation. Look at that confetti, it is so pretty. Here are my completed nails. This set came out so pretty. My favorite nail is definitely the one on my ring finger. The split between the purple and iridescent confetti is so gorgeous, especially with the AB crystals going down the middle. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. I would love it if you could leave me a comment telling me what you thought of today's tutorial. And until next time, bye loves!